Hi there. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm person A. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the United States. Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a bit of French. What about you?
I speak Spanish and a little bit of Chinese. How do you introduce yourself in English?
Usually, I say hi, I'm Sarah or hello, my name is Sarah. How about you?
I usually say, hi, I'm person A or nice to meet you, I'm person A. It's pretty simple.
Yeah, it is. What else can we say when introducing ourselves?
You can also mention where you're from or what you do. For example, hi, I'm Sarah from Canada, or hello, I'm a teacher named person A.
That's helpful. Should we shake hands when we introduce ourselves?
Yes, it's common to shake hands in English-speaking countries. It shows respect and friendliness.
Good to know. What if I forget someone's name after they introduce themselves?
You can politely ask them to repeat their name by saying something like, I'm sorry, could you tell me your name again?
Got it. Thanks for the tip. Introducing yourself in English seems easy now.
No problem, Sarah. Practice makes perfect. Would you like to practice some more introductions?
Sure, that would be great. Let's keep practicing.